me being feminine, what is important to a woman.
And what is important to a woman?
I think the most important thing to a woman is talking to them.
Uh-huh.
Men want to have sex.
Men want to have sex.
Men want to have sex.
Right.
Women want to talk.
Uh-huh.
They want to talk about sex. They want to talk. They want
Right.
some kind of dialogue. I think that's probably so. I'm still a work in progress.
Do you enjoy talking to women when you're not having sex with them?
I do.
Well, but yeah, but you don't seem like you're that into this conversation. Okay, so this show is called American Horror Story. Premieres October 5th at 10 on FX, so make sure you watch it. Thank you very much for being here. I like the whole process that eHarmony uses. It was really a nice exercise for me to get clear about what I wanted or what I was seeking in a man.
Review all your matches for free at eHarmony.com.
I can't let allergies stop me from leading away, so I get Claritin Clear. Non-drowsy Claritin removes my worst symptoms, and only Claritin is proven to keep you as alert and focused as someone without allergies. No other brand can say that, not even Allegra. Clear Claritin Clear.
Sunday on E! Everyone is obsessed with E's newest hit, Dirty Soap. And you think daytime TV is dramatic? See what happens off the set.
If you don't see yourself being with me forever, then back out.
Then, it's Secret and Pink's anniversary, but their Mexican getaway is heading south.
No, it's not 2 years, we don't kiss anymore.
So the super new episodes of Kendra and Dirty Soap. Starting this Sunday, you know you'll watch E! Starting October 9th, to the signature wedding of Kardashian proportions. Plan America. Without a whole lot of drama.
It doesn't say Kim Humphrey. You say Timothy Shower. Chris. He hates us. Yeah.
So, wait, this is funny.